Greetings, my unbelievable V Convention Connect family around the world. We just closed VCon Connect 2020. Alright, it's been 3 days. We have broadcasted this VCon to 200,000 people around the world, all of you. And many of you watching this Wednesday message, please remember, the Wednesday message was born 7 over years ago from a concept that I would do a follow-up video after VCon to remind the participants to focus on what they learned from VCon. So this is the original, once again, Wednesday message, which I started 7.5 years ago after VCon. This VCon has simply been magical, unbelievable, a dream come true. And I thought after 22 years of building this business, it was impossible for anything to surprise and amaze me. But these last 3 days, I became a child again. My cup was emptied so much. I was learning and evolving and realizing how powerful technology is and how powerful our founders are, Dato Sri Vijay and Japa, to be able to communicate through this platform called the internet and reach people around the world. You guys, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. You felt the magic, you felt the power of the speakers. And now, I want you to wake up and smell the coffee. That VCon is over. But it never is. Because VCon should be every day. Your realization at VCon alone is not enough. You must decide what you're going to do after realizing what you have to do. You got to take the action. You got to make the tough and easy decisions. But you got to keep moving. That you cannot remain stagnant, just feeling good and feeling great. That you got to have a plan. Counsel your upline. Watch VCon again. Go to vtube.net. Do whatever it takes. But this VCon is meant to reach you for one reason. For you to evolve. And you need to know this. Whether you are a brand new sign up and new in network marketing, whether you have been a long time with us in QNet, it doesn't matter. The only way your organization can grow is based on whether you grow. The day you stop growing as an individual, as a person, as a networker, as an upline, as a downline, then your organization stops growing. And I've seen this year after year after year, that why people who come to VCon end up being the max out kings, the max out queens. Why does every V partner, every AVP, every V council acknowledge their change to VCon, to Dato Sri Vijay, to Japa? Simply because when they came to VCon, they took the click. They absorbed it, they received it, they experienced it, they enjoyed it. And then they made a decision to change, to evolve and grow. And that's what you guys got to do. That is what VCon is meant to be. VCon is that spark that is supposed to change into a raging fire that fuels you to presentation, fuels you to the next step and the next step, to a bigger check, to a stronger organization, to becoming a more loyal upline, downline, to becoming a better speaker, to be just becoming a better human being. That is the reason. Now this VCon has started that fire, and your fire inside of you is big, it is strong. Do something about it. Don't let it die down. Because if you keep lingering and chilling and thinking about what I must do too long, the fire will get smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, and it will end up being a small flame. But now your fire is big. The fire is strong. And when a fire is big, you got to keep it going. You got to put new wood. You got to pour fuel. You got to keep it strong and inshallah make it even stronger. And now your fire is strong. I can see the flames from here. I can hear and feel the warmth, the heat from your fire. Now put fuel in it. Put new wood. What is this fuel? This fuel is action. This fuel is presentation. This fuel is going back to your network and telling them, rise. The fuel is your check that is going to grow next week and the week after that. The fuel is that dream that you found on day 1, on day 2, when I came up in the evening and spoke to you. The fuel is the wisdom and passion and heart that Dato Sri Vijay sent out to you. But I want you to keep that fuel strong. I mean the fire strong. Alright? Never let it go down. Never let it shrink. Keep it growing bigger and bigger and bigger, and keep putting fuel and wood and whatever you can into it. That's what you need to do. And that's how you become a V partner. That's how you become the next AVP, V council. That's how you max out. Because now the fire is strong. Don't waste a good fire. And this VCon has done that. And I need you today, watching the Wednesday message, sit down with your uplines, sit down with your downlines, and collectively make a decision of what is going to happen this week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Do it now, promo is on. What you're going to do for the next 6 weeks with the X22 promo. How many people are going to qualify for their first step? How many of you are going to find 2 this week, next week, the week after that? How many of you are going to get the biggest check this week, next week, the week after that? How many of you are going to set a stronger fire to the next person? Now you got this fire from VCon. Don't waste it. And for those who did not come to VCon, those who did not realize how important it was to come to VCon, those who made the innocent mistake of thinking VCon was not important, it's okay. Make sure they come to the next one. But right now, take one of your sticks with a flame burning on it and pass it on and light that fire within them. Tell them what you realize about VCon. Show them who you have become after this VCon. Don't have to repeat every module. Don't have to vomit the whole VCon on them. No. The greatest message you can send them of how powerful this VCon is who you become. How powerful of a networker you become. How big your checks will grow from now. How powerful you sound when you speak with the confidence, with the power that you have received from this VCon. And I'm telling you as your chief, this is the secret. The secret of success is come to VCon, light the fire, make sure the fire is a raging fire, and then go back and build. That's the key message. Now it is time to build. Build it big, build it strong, build it to last. Don't waste that fire, guys. And today I'm so proud because I just spoke to the in-service. I spoke to the core in-service. And this VCon would not have been possible without the dedicated men and women of ISB. This VCon would not have been possible without the V partners. The VCon does not exist without our founders, Dato Sri Vijay and Jayaprakash Bismarck. And my final message to you on this Wednesday message is, remember that dream. It was so difficult for me to stand in front of the camera and speak about my mother, Amma. But I want you to know that my only wish to each one of you, that you found your dream. And I want you to hold that dream in your hand, protect it. Don't allow anyone or anything to take it away from you. Because the only way that you will achieve any form of success is that if you are driven by that dream every single day. When you feel tired, remember that dream. When you feel that the rejection is too painful, remember your dream. When everyone around you laughs at you, remember your dream. When your downlines quit, remember your dream. When your uplines are not there for you, remember your dream. When you feel that you cannot push yourself even one step further because you're too tired, too depressed, you feel like giving up, remember your dream. And when you feel that the whole world is against you for some reason, remember your dream. And I hope you know by now that you are not alone. You have an army behind you. You have an army of warriors. Dato Sri Vijay, Japadas Bismarck, the V partners. I am here for you. You have nothing to fear. I said it, take that baton that has been passed on to you and run. Run like you have never run before. But most importantly, once again, keep that fire within you strong. Because this fire is going to conquer the world. And I want to say thank you to each one of you who watched us live at V Convention Connect. Because you made it possible. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for your loyalty to Dato Sri Vijay Japadas Bismarck. Now the time is yours. It is your time to rise. It is your time to shine. It is your time to pass the power, the fire, the heat to everyone around you. Make week 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, all the way. Make it the greatest weeks of your networking journey with QNet. This is your chief telling you, I love you, I love you, I love you. Thank you for allowing me to inspire you. And thank you for inspiring me every day of my journey. I love you guys.